Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Notion. So the first thing is head over to your settings right there, and you need to click on your account at the top. Once you click on it, click on Change Email. And right there, they will send a verification code to your current email. So just click on Send Verification Code, and you need to enter the code that you received. So I've received the code, so let's check. And now this is the code. Let me copy it. So I received it on my phone. So let's copy and let's paste it right here and click on continue. So now enter the new email that you want to use. So I'm going to use this email. Once you enter the new email, click on Send Verification Code. They will send the code to the new email also. So just enter the code that you received. So I've received the code, so let me copy and paste it, and now click on Change Email. That's it. Thanks for watching.